The digital transformation has really put data as one of the top handful of assets any company has to leverage to go drive their businesses and deliver great customer service, great employee satisfaction, and really build a great business based on the data that they have at their fingertips today.
We're producing more data than ever before. Almost everything you do produces a data point, and all of that is a scale of data being generated unlike anything ever before.
Airflow is a modern data delivery mechanism that enables companies to create modern applications and have data through Airflow delivered into those modern applications to ensure that whether it's their customers, their orders, their billing, or a lot of their internal and regulatory applications, or next generation AI and machine learning applications are up and running properly.
Machine learning and AI comes down to data engineering. It comes down to repeatable, reliable data processing. If you're a machine learning team, if you're a data scientist, you need to have data available which is clean, and you want that available for your machine learning processes and for the training of your models. Once you've set up those data pipelines initially to process all that incoming data, you can focus on the valuable task of producing the most accurate, insightful models, and the data is just available to you lights out.
So there's a couple things that really still do make Airflow unique. Number one, this whole idea of pipelines as code is really game-changing. Number two is it's really extensible. So people write Airflow integrations for things like Snowflake, Redshift, BigQuery, just about everything in the major cloud has an Airflow integration.
Modern machine learning requires almost everything in the modern data stack. And so pretty much every organization that offers technology for the processing and analysis of data has been affected by the revolution in generative AI and large language models. Airflow, and Astro as the commercial developer for Airflow, has been particularly impacted by that because we are at the center of the modern data stack. We control the flow of data from beginning to end, and in many cases, that flow of data includes the processing of documents for these large language models.
Airflow sits at the core of everything that we do. It's the technology that we use to move everything from source databases to third-party applications into our data warehouse. Astronomer allowed us to streamline our deployment process, our testing process, our upgrade process, and ultimately focus on more business problems directly.
The biggest benefit working with Astronomer is that we don't have to maintain the team full of engineers taking care of the technical stuff because we have Astronomer. That's cost saving.
Airflow is a very central piece for our data organization. It's being used for all the data orchestration needs that FAIR has right now. It powers some of the very tight SLA requirement pipelines, for example, like the feature store.
We have been using Airflow since 5 years, and we used that before having Astro. Like Astronomer helped us scale the security and the ability to manage deployments and have multiple deployments for multiple domains and power these analytics in a safe, quick, and reliable way.
Our goal at Astronomer is to make sure that we continue to have just a very happy and healthy customer base that sees us delivering value, not just for today with Astronomer and Airflow, but also for the modern applications that they're going to build in the future.
Astro makes it so end users can focus on their data and moving their data around as they need without thinking about things that aren't related to their core competency. Any size and scale can be really successful with Apache Airflow. What we found is a lot of companies that were successful had these huge engineering teams they could dedicate around it. We wanted to make it so anybody could do that.